Welcome! We have now described the difference between a merger and an acquisition, and also we have gone through the main steps that the company will have to comply with when dealing with a merger or with an acquisition. But one of the questions that I'm always asked is how come that notwithstanding the failure rate of mergers and acquisition is high, we are talking about over 50%, companies still decide to carry on and basically try to achieve value via mergers or acquisitions. Well, actually, the explanation is that companies are trying to achieve synergies. Synergies, basically, it's in very broad terms, is to basically perform even better. So, for example, let's pretend that there is a company and they are based in the UK and they want to enter into a new market. For example, the Chinese market. They've got two different options here. They may decide to start from scratch. So basically, go to China, identify whether there are possibilities, opportunities, buy a piece of land, then, for example, build the premises there. I mean, it's gonna be quite a long process. Also considering that there may be quite significant barriers to an entry. There are already established competitors there, and the company basically from the UK wants to go there, usually without knowing that much about the local cultures, and they want basically to establish themselves as a key player. A merger or an acquisition actually offers the possibility to shortcut some of the process. How? For example, they can basically decide to acquire or to merge with a local company that already fulfills the requirements that the company based in the UK is looking for. So, for example, it could be the company Q, that is a Chinese based, is already a good player, is very well positioned, and actually is looking for opportunities to grow even more. And the company from the UK actually could offer this opportunity. So basically, mergers and acquisitions are a growth strategy, and that's the reason why they are significantly popular, especially considering that in a consistently changing market, companies have to evolve on an ongoing basis. They cannot stand still. So the competition is coming not only from the other companies that operate in the same national market, but it comes globally from all over the places. And mergers and acquisitions have always offered the possibility to shortcut some of the difficulties and barriers to an entry that a company may encounter when actually decide to trade in a new market, or for example also to expand in a new service or a new product. It could be, for example, that a company is very successful in providing training, and all of a sudden they decide that they want to improve the area of the passive income. So, for example, they want to create books, they want to create, for example, DVDs, they want to create MP3s, podcasts, and so on. So how can they do that? Well, for example, they can acquire a company that is specialized in this specific field and actually try to get synergy, so basically to get value, to make money fundamentally within a specific period of time via acquisition. Unfortunately, mergers and acquisitions are quite complex and they often go wrong. Is it possible to get it right? The answer is yes, it is possible, but of course it requires to know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. And this is something that we will discuss in this video series. Thank you so much for watching.